Welcome to Unit 1, The World of Travel and Tourism, Lesson 1. The lesson aims to understand the requirements of the unit and how it will be assessed, to understand how the unit will be taught, to understand your learning responsibilities, to be able to define inbound, outbound, and domestic tourism. There are 5 learning outcomes for this unit. These are the themes or topics you can expect to study. Don't worry if some of the following words or phrases are unfamiliar, you'll be learning about them in the coming weeks and months. Learning Outcome 1. Demonstrate knowledge and understanding of the travel and tourism industry, types of tourism, and organisations involved. Learning Outcome 2. Apply knowledge and understanding of the travel and tourism industry and factors affecting the industry to real-life travel and tourism scenarios. Learning Outcome 3. Analyse information and data from the travel and tourism industry, identifying trends and the potential impact of different factors on the industry and its customers. Learning Outcome 4. Evaluate how information and data can be used by the travel and tourism industry to make decisions that affect organisations and customers. Learning Outcome 5. Make connections between the factors that influence the travel and tourism industry and how the industry responds to minimise the potential impact on organisations and customers. So in summary, you will be studying the world of travel and tourism to discover what is it, who is it, what can affect it, how is it affected. To successfully complete this unit, you will need to pass a 90-minute exam. Everything you study will help to build your knowledge and understanding and prepare you for the exam. Don't panic. So how will this unit be taught? Well, this year is going to be a little bit different than previous years. Each week you'll be set an independent lesson which will include an introductory video, a task, a lecture-based video, task, and then a test. You can complete this at any time before the group live video lesson. You should allow 2 hours to complete this lesson. Each week you must also attend a group live video lesson. During this lesson, you will be given the opportunity to ask questions about your independent learning task. As a Level 3 learner, you will be required to study independently and take responsibility for completing assigned tasks. Some of you will find this transition easy, especially if you are the type of student who is very organised and self-motivated. Some of you will find this process a little trickier. Here are some tips. Planning is the key to successful independent study. Plan when you're going to study. Consider when you have other responsibilities such as part-time jobs and live lessons, and set aside the same time every week to complete independent learning tasks. Where you're going to study. Although you should be comfortable, your bed may not always be the most productive place to study. If possible, a desk in natural lighting is ideal. Taking responsibility for your learning during this particular unit is really important due to the type of assessment. In order to fully prepare for an exam, your learning and understanding needs to build each week. And so missing an independent task or live lesson will mean a big gap in your learning. To stay motivated, think about how you want to feel just before you open the exam paper. Now complete Task 1. Instructions to follow. Open up Task 1. Copy and paste the following words into the chart below to describe how you want to feel and how you don't want to feel when you open your exam paper. The way you want to feel most should be at the top, with the way you want to feel least at the bottom. There is no wrong answer. It's all about how you want to feel. When I do an exam, I like to feel really confident. So if I was to complete this chart, I would choose my first word as confident, and I would copy it and then paste it into the top box. And when I do an exam, I really don't want to feel stressed. So I'm going to choose that word and copy it and paste it into the bottom box. So if I was completing this task, I would then carry on copying and pasting all the other words into the order that I want to feel and how I don't want to feel when I do an exam. Once you've completed the chart, watch video 2 to continue the lesson.